A police officer stops a man jogging near railroad tracks. There has just been a prison escape. No ID. 2 different names. Matches the description exactly. The officer says, "You know the bad thing. You're matching up to him." The man laughs. "Well, that sucks, doesn't it?" 10 minutes later, the officer lets him go. The whole thing is on dashcam. Welcome to Criminal English. Tonight, North Dakota and Louisiana, 1987 to 2007. A convicted murderer. 3 prisons. 3 escapes. Lip balm, a ventilation duct, a postal mailbag. The only man in American history to break out of a county jail, a state penitentiary, and a federal prison. His name is Richard Lee McNair. Richard Lee McNair was born in Oklahoma in 1958. His brother called him the smartest person he'd ever met. McNair served in the U.S. Air Force. On November 17, 1987, he broke into a grain elevator in Minot, North Dakota. 2 men were inside. He shot both. 1 died. McNair was sentenced to 2 life terms plus 30 years. Escape 1. 1988. Minot Police Station. Handcuffed to a chair. In his pocket, lip balm. He greased his wrists, slipped the cuffs, walked out. Caught after climbing a tree that broke. Escape 2. 1992. North Dakota State Penitentiary. He crawled through a ventilation duct, stayed free for 10 months before recapture in New York. Keywords. 1. Fugitive. A person who has escaped and is hiding from the law. 2. Penitentiary. A large prison, especially a federal or state 1-3. Convict. A person found guilty of a crime and serving a sentence for. Warrant. An official document authorizing police to arrest someone. 5. Surveillance. Close observation of a person by authorities. After the second escape, McNair was transferred to the United States Penitentiary in Pollock, Louisiana, federal maximum security. His prison job: repairing torn postal mailbags, palletized and shipped to a warehouse outside the perimeter. McNair studied the process for months. He noted the cameras. He timed the lunch break. He built a plan. April 5, 2006. McNair built an escape pod inside a pallet of mailbags, a hidden space with a breathing tube. At 9:45 a.m., a forklift moved the pallet through the prison gates. He waited until the warehouse workers left for lunch, cut himself free, walked away. The prison wouldn't notice until the 4 p.m. roll call. More keywords. 6. Perimeter. The outer boundary of a secured area such as a prison. 7. Palletise. To stack and wrap goods on a platform for transport. 8. Dashcam. A camera mounted in a vehicle that records continuously. 9. Marshal. A senior law enforcement officer. Here. Federal agent. 10. Decoy. Something used to distract or mislead. Hours after the escape, Officer Carl Bordelon spotted a man jogging near railroad tracks in Ball, Louisiana. No ID. Matched the description. Gave 1 name, Robert Jones. Then, minutes later, Jimmy Jones. Bordelon missed it. The conversation was filmed on dashcam and later became one of the most watched police videos online. McNair was calm, funny, and convincing. When Bordelon said he matched the escapee, McNair laughed. "Well, that sucks, doesn't it?" He explained away the missing wallet. He asked for the officer's phone number as he left. Bordelon let him go. McNair walked into the trees, on the run for the third time. McNair crossed into Canada within 2 weeks. RCMP confronted him in British Columbia. He outran them. He sent a Christmas card to the prison warden. He used the warden's name to get a mobile phone. America's Most Wanted featured him 12 times. U.S. Marshals added him to their 15 Most Wanted. First federal escapee since 1991. October 25, 2007. A rookie RCMP officer in Campbellton, New Brunswick noticed a suspicious van. Inside, McNair, full beard, fake ID, 18 months of freedom. He ran. The officer tackled him a quarter-mile down a gravel road. McNair confirmed his identity. He was sent to ADX Florence, the Supermax in Colorado, where he remains. 3 escapes, 3 methods, 3 institutions. Lip balm at a police station, a ventilation duct at a state prison, a postal mailbag at a federal penitentiary. Richard Lee McNair is the only person in American history to escape from all 3 levels of the U.S. prison system. The dashcam video has been watched millions of times. Officer Bordelon became assistant police chief before his death in 2015. McNair, in solitary at ADX Florence, wrote 3,000 pages to a Canadian journalist, describing every escape in detail. He has not escaped since. Quiz time. 5 questions. 1. What did McNair use in his first escape? A. A spoon. B. Lip balm. C. A fake ID. 2. How did he escape the federal prison? A. Through a tunnel. B. In a mailbag pallet. C. In a laundry cart. 3. What did the dashcam capture? A. A fight. B. McNair talking his way free. C. The border crossing 4. How long was McNair free after the 3rd escape? A. 6 months. B. 1 year. C. 18 months. 5. Where is McNair held today? A. Pollock, Louisiana. B. North Dakota. C. ADX, Florence, Colorado. Lip balm, a ventilation duct, a mailbag, a laugh on a railroad track. McNair didn't just escape prison, he made the entire system look slow. 3 escapes, no weapons, no accomplices, just patience and the ability to smile at an officer who had him dead to rights. Like and subscribe. Stay curious. Keep learning.